Hi, and welcome again to our course. WordPress is something I discovered about 6 years ago. It's a way to build websites without code, and when I found it, I just fell in love with it because as a designer at that time, it allowed me to create websites that users and my clients could edit themselves, but it's evolved in an enormous way. It's more user-friendly than it was in the beginning. It started out as a blogging platform primarily. Now you can create e-commerce stores, portfolio websites, small business websites, and of course personal blogs. So why even use WordPress? The beauty of WordPress is you don't have to know any programming. All you have to do is log into your website and begin typing just like you would in Microsoft Word or some other typing program on your computer. You log into your website and you can create pages, you can create news articles, blog posts, add pictures, obviously create a gallery of your work, and you can even add e-commerce. So it's just a fantastic platform. The other thing is WordPress is hugely popular. So there's a whole community of designers and developers and people, if you do need help or advice, that can supply you with guidance, inspiration, tips. But in this class, which is for beginners, we're going to go through all of that. So don't worry about it. And the beauty of it is I'll be here to answer your questions as well. So there's nothing to worry about in this class. We're going to make it very, very friendly. Speaking of friendly, WordPress is built for general web users. It's optimized for search engines, which means you'll be found on search engines like Google, which is very important. And it comes that way right out of the box. You don't have to worry about it. I'm going to show you in this course the easy ways to create your content and make sure that it works with search engines like Google so that you can be found and your audience can find you on the internet. The other thing is WordPress is built so that it can be extended, meaning you can add things to WordPress through something called plugins that we're going to talk about that allow you to add, as I said, e-commerce if you would like to sell things, extra features, like light boxes where an image can be enlarged right on the screen, and we'll get into all of that in a little bit.